Hello everyone, welcome to Mishra Classes YouTube channel. So now we are continuing the expected cutoff series for the different states. So far we have covered around 25 states, and now today we will discuss about the expected cutoff for the Kerala state. Many of our viewers have commented in the comment box that sir, please put the video on the expected cutoff for the Kerala state. So we have analyzed the previous year paper, previous year cutoffs, and we have concluded that the expected cutoff for the Kerala state for the general OBC, SC and ST category, which I will be disclosing in a few minutes. Secondly, I would like to tell you that in our channel, that is Mishra Classes, we are providing free education from class 9th to class 12th and for the NEET aspirants also. I would like to tell you this is our initiative towards free education so that every child must be educated. What all you have to do is just to press the bell icon, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Soon we will be covering the counseling related queries, top government medical college. What all you have to do, just believe in us, focus on your studies. In case if you miss by few marks, and I would tell you these are just our prediction, this might be lower than 10 to 15 marks or this may be higher than 10 to 15 marks. So don't be panic, cutoff may vary. So let's start the expected cutoff for the Kerala state. For the Kerala state. Now for the general category, this goes around 580 marks. For the OBC category, this should be 570 marks. For the SC category, it is 500 marks, and for the ST category, this should be 460 marks. In case any one of you are getting lower marks than these expected marks, so don't be panic, cutoff may vary. It may be 10 to 15 marks lower or 10 to 15 marks higher, and these are just a prediction, not the exact cutoff. If any of you are getting much lower marks than these expected category wise marks, don't be panic. After few months, 4 to 5 months, you will be dealing with the next NEET examination, that is NEET 2021. You have a golden opportunity. Start studying right now, from right now. If you check to the playlist, we have covered around 17 to 18 chapters. Go through them, study all the playlist, watch the video 2 to 3 times, and if you have siblings for class 9th, 10th, 11th or in 12th, then do share these videos with your siblings. We have taken actually an initiative to educate all over the India so that no one is left behind getting an education. We will provide you each and every aspect of any chapter so that you will never miss any concept, any single concept from any chapter. Soon we will be dealing with the other subjects also. Till now we have maths and science for the 9th and 10th, and for the 11th and 12th we have we have physics and biology plus chemistry. Do share these videos. Thank you for watching the video. God bless you all.